polynomial functions. To find the asymptotes or wholes of this function, first we have to factor the numerator. The numerator will and we leave the -2/3. We don't touch this. So we write -2/3. It will factor to x plus 4, 2x minus 3 over x plus 2. And here we see that they won't cancel, so we don't have any wholes. So we must have a vertical asymptote, horizontal asymptote, or slant asymptote. We look at the denominator and we see that there is a vertical asymptote at x equals 2. So vertical asymptote at x equals -2. Asymptote. And, so we look for the horizontal asymptote or slant asymptote. We see that we don't have any horizontal asymptote because the degree of p of x is greater than the degree of q of x. We don't have a horizontal asymptote, but we do have a slant asymptote, and we find it by synthetic division. So a for this one is -2. -2 divided by 2, 5, and -12. We bring the first term down. 2 times -2, -4. 5 minus 4 is 1. And we don't really care about this part. We only care about these two. And this will give us 2x plus 1. But we can't just use this 2x plus 1. We have a -2/3 here, so we have to multiply that. So for the slant asymptote, we get y equals -2/3 times 2x plus 1, which will give us y equals -4/3 x minus 2/3. So in another color we write all the answers. We had a vertical asymptote at x equals -2, so vertical asymptote at x equals -2, and slant asymptote at y equals -4/3 x minus 2/3.